Once upon a time, in the year 2019, in a little school, in a class, there was a lazy boy who never did his homework. He never told his mother about his work, but he always kept it unfinished. He frequently got scolded by one of his teachers. This happened most of the week. But as the next year came, he felt like he needed to change. So he tried to finish the homework. And since then, he finished most of his work. And that boy was me. Hi everybody, my name is Jaryd, and I'm 10 years old. I overcame all my bad habits by first realizing that I have to change because as I grow older, there will be more homework and assignments. I also realized that in a few years, what I did not do could affect me in my future, school, work, or worse, in my entrance to a university or even a career. I knew I needed to change my attitude instead of being the lazy person I was before. Have you chosen not to do something because you were lazy? I have. When you're used to being lazy, you feel like you just want to sit still and chill. Everything else seems like such a bother and a waste of energy. I find it very hard to stop these habits. For example, when I was young, I almost never did my homework. At one time, I was so lazy, I asked people to get me a fork and spoon. I've changed since then. Everyone can change if they try. I was also very forgetful. One day, I was walking to the kitchen to get a cup, and then I accidentally took a fork. I tried to remember, but it kept happening. Even until now, being forgetful is frustrating and a waste of time, because you have to repeat the task again and again to get it right. I'm trying hard to change. One way of remembering is writing notes down to myself to remind myself of the things I need to do. In all my experiences, from being forgetful to being lazy, I've learned that we should do what is right, not what you find best is for you. We need to choose what is hard, tough, and difficult, and never give up. In the end, we may learn something new and feel good about ourselves. Thank you.